Today I'm going to show how to program JMA remote to the rolling court remote. This is a rolling court remote. Okay. So I'm going to show how to program this to the JMA like this one now. JMA remote. Let's see how to program for this to the rolling court. First, remove the cover. After removing cover, there is a programming button. You just press and the remote. So you want more remote, also press and press the button. Sit. And you can see it is working. So this is how we are going to program the JMA remote M-BT M-NOVA rolling port. So that is or any other brand, BFT, NICE, any brand you want to use, just program on the receiver. So we are going to program this JMA remote to this rolling cord. It's not working. This is the brand. Where are you? For this, no, not working. We'll program it.
Why your cousin not playing?
Set. No, we can try. So this is how we are programming the JMA M-BT M-NOVA remote to the rolling cord. Fixed cord is programmed the face-to-face, but rolling cord should be programmed in the receivers. So we are doing it, opening the receiver, press the programming button here. Just press and press the button you want to program it. That's it. So this is the